Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Money Tuesday. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and let's get right into this video. Saviland sent me their 36-piece gel paint nail kit. The packaging is really nice as usual and simple. So let's see the colors that are inside. So the first thing is the instructions, which shows how to apply and remove the gel paints. Then we have 15 nail art brushes, so I will be showing you all each nail art brush, and there's also a dotting tool included. Next are these gorgeous gel paints, which can also be used as gel polishes. There are 36 pots, so I'm just going to be showing one right now and swatching it on a swatch stick. They all came sealed. It was very difficult to remove the seal for most of them, which is a good thing because it ensures the gel pots wouldn't leak during transit. I'm not going to be swatching all these gel polishes, it's way too much, so I'm sorry guys. So I did 2 coats of the gel paint, and pink is my favorite color, so I had to choose pink, and I cured for 30 seconds. It was really opaque, but some of the other colors required 3 coats to reach full opacity. And then I top coated off camera and cured for 30 seconds. As you can see, it is the same color that's on the cover of the pot. So this color is a good reference if you really want to know what color is in the pot, but some of them wasn't a good reference, so I would suggest swatching them all. So for this nail design, I'm going to be testing out the viral TikTok French nail design using a stamper. So I'm doing it on press-on nails, so I will be using a lot of colors included in this kit. I applied my Born Pretty base coat to the nails and then cured for 30 seconds. And then I applied each color and I applied 3 coats of each, curing for 30 seconds each time. The yellow was very sheer. The most opaque color in this was the orange and also the purple gel polish. So I'm only showing myself applying 1 coat to each nail, but in total I applied 3 coats to each. The colors went on really smooth, and there are a variety of colors to choose from, and I like that, but I really wish there was some glitters included. And there was only 1 nude gel polish. I would have liked to see more of a variety of nudes because the nude included in this kit is so nice. But regardless of that, this kit is really nice and you get a lot. I will have a link below if anyone is interested in purchasing this gel paint kit. So from here you can apply top coat to the nail and cure for 30 seconds, but I didn't. I wanted to test out something to see if it made any difference, but it didn't, so I would recommend top coating the nails. Now I'm starting with this dark orange gel polish, so I applied it to my stamper like I'm doing right here. And now I'm going to be placing my finger at the beginning of where I placed the gel polish, not in the middle but in the beginning of it, and then I push my finger upwards into the stamper, and I must say I was really surprised by how it came out. The only thing I didn't like is that the amount of gel polish on the tip, and it created an indentation of sorts, you know, but that could be fixed by just removing the excess gel polish with a brush. Then I cured for 30 seconds. Next, I removed the excess polish from the stamper with some rubbing alcohol and a lint-free wipe, and then I'm using the pink gel polish this time, and I did the same thing for the middle nail. Moving on to the yellow nail, this one came out a bit splotchy only because the stamper was developing holes because of the constant pushing of my nails into the stamper, so it kind of transferred to the nail when I was doing it. Also, because this is the lightest color in the set, this could have contributed to only this color giving me some issues. There were tiny holes in this nail, so I went in with my brush to even it out a little. Then I cured for 30 seconds. Then I had to apply another layer of the yellow gel polish off camera because this nail was still a tad bit textured. So on the pinky nail, this one was my favorite because I love this color also, and the more I did, the better I got, and I really liked how this nail came out. Now on the thumbnail, I'm using this purple gel polish. So this is what my nails look like. Now I top coated the nails. I would recommend using a top coat that is thicker in consistency because this French stamp method can cause the nails to be a little textured or uneven in a few places, especially as a beginner. So using a top coat like Model Ones would ensure the nails are really smooth looking afterwards. My thoughts are that this nail hack is really cool and easy. If you are doing this on short nails, ensure to wipe off any gel polish that gets on your skin or under the nail because that can cause a fungus or something to develop, I believe, so be careful. My nails are long, so it didn't touch my skin. Also, the Saviland Gel Polish Kit allows you to have a lot of options, and I really like that. I like this kit a lot. So if you'd like to purchase the kit, I will have a link below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys.